like the most merciful beneficial Allah of us. Therefore, I start the name of Allah. I am feeling proud on myself, standing here with very energetic participant teams of organization on management. Every team members have done workshop carefully on their topics. First member of team Kashish Rawat. She is intelligent student who did the workshop on modern concept of management with elements of management, process, effectiveness, and efficiency. Second one is a Prinka Kholia. She is the diligent student who has done workshop on process. Second one is Riya Chand, who is the brilliant student. Her topic is planning. Fourth one is student Sohani. She is new student. Her work always clearness. She has workshop on organization. Fifth one is Depesh Thapa, who is not the only diligent but also the intelligent. He has done workshop on staffing. Second, last new student Subham Chand, who is the obedient student. He has done workshop on directing. Last but not least, any of them student Pawan Dhami. He has done workshop on controlling. Just now, all of you will see standing here Kashish Rawat. A lot of thanks, MD sir, ma'am, gave great opportunity to do for this workshop. Thank you. Thanks all of you. Come on, Kashish Rawat.
Yes, ma'am.
There is anything here. You look tall. There anything there? इसका फील ज़्यादा दिखाई देगा ना उससे थोड़ा कम आ रहा है. Good afternoon, one and all present here. So my name is Kashish Rawat. So today's my topic is management. So basically, what is management? Management is a process of getting things done with the aim of achieving goals with effectively and efficiently. Effectively means work on time. Efficiently means avoid the wastage of resources. All successful organizations do not achieve their goal by chance but following deliberate call management. Management is life-giving element to every business. But on the other hand, lack of poor management with result wastage of time, efforts and money. So management is essential to implement. Here are some basic or important features of management which helps in organization to run successfully. Management helps in achieving group goals as it focuses on the efforts of all individuals in organizational goal. Management increase efficiently as it reduce to try cost and improve productivity in minimum cost. Management create dynamic function as it change due to the change in organization and update itself time to time. Management help in achieving personal objective as it focuses on the goal of individual employee. Management help in development of society as it focuses on the contribution towards society. At last, I would like to thank MD teacher, MD ma'am and MD sir and Tohit sir and Khan sir to giving me that opportunity to be a part of this workshop. Thank you. I complete myself. Now I will call my friend Priyanka. She will tell you about the process of management. Thank you.
Good afternoon, when not present here, myself Priyanka standing here to tell you about process. As you know that process is achieving goal effectively and efficiently. It is a process of series, set and sequence. The process means it can create the objectives which will be in the task, or it is also controlled by a linked task that found there in the delivery of a service or a product to a client. It is a business process has been defined as a set of activity and a task that once which completed organizational goals. The process of the achieving goals is management, which they help in to do this work, or they help. The input are made up of all the factors that are contributed to the facts and achieving goals effectively and efficiently. This process are found in the various areas of our life, including business, manufacturing, etc. Here are some features are also. First is planning, organizing, staffing, directing, and controlling. At last, a lot of thanks to Khan sir and Toy sir. He will give us a golden opportunity to do this worksheet. Now, I would like to call Ria and she will tell you about planning.
Please your voice loud.
Good morning to one and all who are present here. It's me Ria standing here to tell you about my topic, and my topic is planning. So what is planning? Planning can be defined as preparing, deciding or thinking in advance, like what to do, how to do, where to do and who is going to do. So in simple words we can say that planning is a bridge between we are standing today and where we want to reach. And all organization, whether it is a government, a small business or a private business, both require a planning, and to achieve their goal, and turn their dreams of increasing sales or high profit earning or getting success of their business. And I think all the businessmen have to think about their future to achieve their goals. Thank you. Thanks to Khan sir and Mr. Toyd sir to give me a great opportunity to be in this workshop. Thank you, and I would like to call my friend Suhani, and she will tell you about organization.
Good afternoon everyone, my name is Suhani and today I am standing here to tell about organization. Organization is the second process of a management. Planning is useless without organization. Basically, what is organization? Organization is a group of people who working together like a neighborhood, association, a union or a corporation. You can use a word organization to refer to a group of business. First, to organize the activities and establishing an organization structure to execute the plan. Second, deciding the framework of working and subunits are needed or a department. How many posts are needed each our department. Third, how to distributing authority and responsibility among different people. There are 5 elements of organizing which I would like to tell you. First, money. Second, material. Third, machinery. Fourth, man. And last, management. Thanks a lot, Khan sir and Toy sir, to provide a great opportunity to do for this workshop. Now I would like to call my friend Dipesh, who is going to tell about staffing. Thank you.
Good afternoon everyone. First of all, I like to thank Principal Ma'am Khan sir and Choit sir to giving big opportunity to us to perform in this activity. First of all, I introduce myself. My name is Dipesh. Today I am standing here to tell you about staffing. Staffing is the third step of a manager. It refers to recruiting, staffing and appointing the employees, assuming their duties, maintaining cordial relation and taking care of the grievance of the employees. It also includes developing and training of the employees, deciding their promotion and increments, etc. The success of any organization does not depend on the physical and financial resources, but it depends upon the utilization of resources by human source. So hardworking and efficient person are the most important asset of the organization. The key to success is the right person who will get the right job. Thank you. Have a nice day. I will call my friend Subham Chan to tell you about directing. Thank you.
Good morning, my dear friends and teachers. My name is Shubham Chand. I am going to speak on the topic of directing. My topic, directing. Directing is a marginal function of guiding and motivating leadership and supervising. It is a important marginal function that is a heart of management and essential for operations. Directing means we have to direct someone or suggest someone so that they can work properly in his work. If we will not direct someone, so they will be going the wrong path and the direction may be wrong. So they can't be successful person. No one can become successful person without directing. So there are some elements of directing. First, supervision. Second, motivation. Third, communication. And fourth, leadership. Supervision is to supervise some person who is working for the better growth of them, and we can find out the mistake they are doing and we can suggest them to how to overcome their mistakes. Second one, the motivation. Without motivation, no one can be work properly, because motivation is a very nice path by which we can encourage people. And they will work with their heart. So the work will be properly and they can be successful. Communication. By communication, we can direct our views to the person who is incorrect and he is going the wrong way. So we can communicate with them and we can direct them. So leadership can't be achieved. It can be achieved, but there are some consequences. If there is no leadership, the person will go to the wrong path and the organization will be destroyed. So at the last, I want to thank Khan sir, Tohir, our respected principal. Now I call upon Pawan to speak on the topic of control. Thank you.
My name is Pawan Singh Dhami and my topic is control. It is not a last function of the management, but it is the function which bring back of the management of cycle of planning. In this function, manager try to make the actual performance with their planning performance. If there is no coordination between both of them, then the manager find out the problem and suggest them to come on the path of plan. Controlling function makes sure everyone to follow the plan or work is accomplished as per the plan, and the plan always aim to achieving organizational goal. Controlling also ensure that an organizational resource are being used efficiently and effectively for the achievement of predetermined goal. And the controlling creates an atmosphere of order and discipline in the function. It helps to minimize the dishonest behavior on the part of employee by keeping a close check on their activities. At last, I am lot of thanks to Tohir sir and Khan sir to give this opportunity for this workshop. Thanks.
Good afternoon, everyone.
Good afternoon.
I'm really very amazed and happy to see you all here in this room. And actually, I must say thanks to these all things to Khan sir. He is really a stupendous personality who is developing to you all together. So today I have seen as you all, and you are every day I'm watching. I have noticed that you are growing up, you are upgrading, and in the leadership of Khan sir, and that is really very good for you, for each and every student. And every time he keeps busy, he thinks all times whenever he meets with me, he talks only about you all, that how he can change you, how he can better, how he can do better than last day than yesterday, and all time he thinks only about you all. So, and that is very good, Khan sir, that you have these alls, and they are they are going on they are following you. I think they all are cooperating you, and they are going they are working just on your footprints, and it makes me really happy. And I hope that in your future every day you will do better. It is said that nothing is impossible in this world, that whatever we can imagine, always remember, whatever can be imagined, that can be acquired. जो भी आप लाइफ में सोच सकते हो, जहाँ तक आपकी सोच पहुँच सकती है, कल्पना कर सकते हो, वो लाइफ में आप हमेशा अचीव भी कर सकते हो। हाउ? ओनली बाय हार्ड वर्क, यू नो। अपने हार्ड वर्क से, कठिन परिश्रम से, एक अच्छी पॉजिटिव सोच के साथ आप उसको प्राप्त भी कर सकते हैं। तो ऐसा नथिंग इज इम्पॉसिबल। कहा भी जाता है कि जहाँ तक कल्पनाएं हमारी पहुँच पाती हैं, परिकल्पना हम कर पाते हैं कि अरे ऐसा भी हो सकता है। रियली अगर आप सोच सकते हैं कि ऐसा हो सकता है, दैट इट कैन बी, आप ऐसा कर सकते हैं। एंड आई होप दैट यू, एंड आई नो दैट यू ऑल हैव द कैपेबिलिटीज लाइक दिस। ओके, थैंक यू so much, and I hope that you will do very better in the future. Thank you so much.
ऑल ऑफ यू, मैं आज आपसे एक वायदा करता हूँ, आप अगर मेरा साथ देंगे। अभी मैंने कुछ स्टूडेंट को दिखाया भी था कि मैं समथिंग 50 वेबसाइट जानता हूँ जो नौकरी से रिलेटेड हैं, फ्री हैं। आपकी 18 एज होने के बाद मैं कम से कम एक स्टूडेंट को 5 जगहों पे, जल्दी हम लैपटॉप ले लेंगे, 5 जगहों पे आपको रजिस्टर कर देंगे जिसकी 18 की एज होगी। आज मेरे पास अशरफ लगातार रोज E&Y में ग्रेजुएशन अगर क्लियर होता तो बराबर भेज रहे हैं E&Y में। इस टाइम E&Y वर्ल्ड की 3rd रैंक ऑडिट कंपनी है, जिसके अंदर अशरफ ये बराबर कह रहे हैं, भेज रहे हैं मेरे पास कि ये अपॉर्चुनिटी है, इसमें अगर आना चाहे बच्चा कोई, वर्ल्ड में ऑडिट फर्म में जॉब के लिए अपॉर्चुनिटीज है उसकी। यहाँ करने के बाद कम से कम 1.5 ईयर के बाद वो UK में जाके ट्रेनिंग लेकर के पूरे वर्ल्ड के अंदर कहीं भी कर सकता है। अशरफ जो आए थे वो वर्ल्ड रैंक कंपनी में। तो ये अपॉर्चुनिटीज़ हैं जो हम आप तक प्रोवाइड कराना चाहते हैं कि, और कोई भी हम आपको एक फील्ड, एक प्लेटफार्म इस तक पहुंचा देंगे। हम ये नहीं कहते आपको कि आप उस जगह पर जा करके इंटरव्यू फेस करके जॉब, आप सिंपल अगर कहीं जॉब पर जाना चाहते हैं तो आपको क्या 4th क्लास है सिंपल, लेकिन आप जो इंटरव्यू फेस करके जाएंगे, और दूसरी तरफ ये है कि गल्फ के अंदर कहीं भी जाएंगे आप, आपका वीज़ा वगैरह अकाउंट लेवल पे फ्री होता है। मेडिकल की फीस आती है 5000, वो भी आपको वापस मिल जाती है। तो आप ये समझ लीजिए कि आपको ये चांस, और आपको एक वायदा करता हूँ और भी, आप अगर इंटर पास करेंगे, ग्रेजुएशन आपको यहीं प्रोवाइड कराया जाएगा, अकाउंट मैं पढ़ाऊंगा और बाकी जो है थ्योरेटिकल पार्ट के लिए मैं टीचर अवेलेबल कराऊंगा। तो ग्रेजुएशन भी आपका यहाँ चलता रहेगा और आगे आपकी आप मेरा साथ दीजिए। मैं आपका साथ कहाँ तक देने के लिए तैयार हूँ, शायद आपने सोचा नहीं होगा, आपकी कल्पना भी नहीं होगी, वहाँ तक मैं आपके साथ भी चलने के लिए तैयार हूँ। थैंक यू मैम।